Absorb shocks to help protect electronics. Ensure that electronics are not subjected to potentially damaging energy. Durable construction. Includes long, corrosion-resistant bolts. Set of 4. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. Was a little skeptical at first after reading a review of them ripping out due to not having enough fiberglass to grip. Once I drilled into my hull, I only had a depth of maybe a 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of fiberglass for these to grip onto, so without any other options, I proceeded with insulation. Insulation was super easy, and just so you know, you have to screw down on these a lot. A lot. I seriously thought the screw was stripped, so backed it out and screwed it in while holding it. Nope, just takes a lot of turns of the old screwdriver if there isn't much to grip. It will tighten to where you can't turn anymore, just keep going till you get there. The motor held fine during transport. I then moved boat to 5 miles per hour with gas motor and my wireless bow mount as a rudder just to see the torque. It worked great. I ordered another set to keep on boat just in case one does pop out. Been out so far 6 times and still holding strong. In the instructions it informs you to tighten after your first trip. I just tighten after or before every trip just in case. And if I have room, I just transport bow mount motor in truck or boat just to keep pressure off of mounts. Defiantly worth the money and a great option if you have no water to get under bow.